If you receive Social Security or you are getting close to retirement, do not ignore your Social Security statement. One wrong number on this record may affect what Social Security thinks you earned. And if your earnings record is wrong, your future check could be lower than it should be. This is not about a secret government bonus. This is not about fake free money. This is about a real document many seniors forget to check until it is too late. Your Social Security statement shows your earnings history, your estimated retirement benefits, and the number Social Security may use when calculating your future monthly check. And the mistake many people make is simple. They only look at the estimated benefit amount. They do not check the earnings record behind it. That is where the real problem can hide. Because Social Security benefits are based heavily on your work history and earnings record. If 1 year is missing, if one employer reported the wrong amount, if self-employment income was not recorded correctly, if your name changed and a record did not match, or if a year shows zero earnings when you actually worked, that mistake may affect your estimate and possibly your future benefit. So before you claim Social Security, or even if you already receive benefits, you should know what to look for. The first mistake is missing earnings. This is one of the most important things on your Social Security statement. Your statement shows year-by-year earnings. Do not just glance at the page, look at each year. Ask yourself, did I work that year? Does the amount look close? Is there a year showing zero when I know I had income? If you see a year that looks wrong, do not ignore it. A missing earnings year may look small on paper, but over time it can matter. Social Security uses your earnings record when estimating your benefits. So if the record is wrong, the estimate may also be wrong. The second mistake is only checking recent years. Many seniors check the last 1 or 2 years and stop. That is not enough. You need to scan your full earnings history. Old jobs can still matter. Part-time jobs can still matter. Self-employment years can still matter. And earlier work years may still be part of your benefit calculation. This is especially important if you change jobs often, worked for small employers, had seasonal work, worked under a different last name, or had self-employment income. Those are the years where mistakes can happen. The third mistake is ignoring zero income years. Now listen carefully. Not every zero is automatically wrong. If you truly did not work that year, then zero may be correct. But if you worked, paid Social Security taxes, and your statement still shows zero, that is a red flag. That means Social Security may not have the correct earnings for that year. And if you have several wrong 0 years, your record may not show your full work history. Your action step is simple. Open your Social Security statement. Go to the earnings record section. Look for any year that seems missing, too low, or completely wrong. Then compare it with your old W-2 forms, tax returns, self-employment records, or pay records if you still have them. The fourth mistake is assuming the estimated benefit is guaranteed. Many seniors see a number on the statement and think, this is exactly what I will get. But that estimate depends on the information Social Security has. If your earnings record changes, your future work changes, or your claiming age changes, your estimate may change too. That is why the statement is not just something to look at once. It is something to review, especially before claiming, because the claiming age matters. Claiming early can reduce your monthly amount. Waiting longer can increase your monthly amount up to age 70. But the age decision is only one part of the picture. The other part is whether the earnings record itself is correct. The fifth mistake is not checking your name and personal record. This sounds basic, but it matters. If your name changed because of marriage, divorce, or another legal change, make sure your Social Security record matches your correct information. If your name, date of birth, or work record does not match correctly, it can create problems. Do not wait until you are filing for benefits to discover something is wrong. The sixth mistake is not reporting an error. Some people see a wrong number and think, it probably does not matter, or Social Security already knows, or I will fix it later. That is risky. If you find a mistake, contact Social Security and ask how to correct your earnings record. You may need proof. That could include W-2 forms, tax returns, pay stubs, or self-employment tax records. Do not send personal documents to random websites or people online. Use your official My Social Security account or contact Social Security directly through official channels. And do not give your Social Security number, bank information, or Medicare number to someone who calls you and claims they can fix your check. Scammers know seniors are worried about benefits, so be careful. The seventh mistake is waiting until after retirement to check. This is where many people get hurt. They wait until they are ready to claim. Then they finally look at the statement, and suddenly they see a missing year, a wrong amount, or a confusing estimate. By that time, it may take longer to fix. So the best time to check is before you need the money. If you are 60 or older, check it now. If you are already receiving benefits, still check your record and your notices. If you are helping a parent, spouse, or older family member, remind them to review their statement too. Now let's bring this together. Your Social Security statement does not magically increase your check, but it can reveal mistakes that may affect your check: missing earnings, wrong income amounts, 0 years that should not be 0, name mismatch issues, self-employment reporting problems, wrong assumptions about claiming age. These are the things seniors should review before they trust the estimate. So here is your simple checklist. Number 1, open your Social Security statement. Number 2, check your earnings history year by year. Number 3, look for missing, low, or 0 earnings years. Number 4, compare the record with your old tax forms or W-2s. Number 5, check your estimated benefit at different claiming ages. Number 6, report any possible error through official Social Security channels. Number 7, never share your Social Security number with someone who randomly calls you. The biggest mistake is not that seniors make an error. The biggest mistake is assuming the record is already perfect. Because if the record is wrong, your check could be affected. And once you are depending on that monthly payment, even a small difference can matter. If this helped you, please subscribe to my channel for more clear updates for seniors, Social Security, Medicare, retirement money, benefits, and important changes that can affect daily life. Also comment below, have you checked your Social Security statement this year? And comment "statement" if you want a simple checklist of what to review before you claim Social Security.